All right, 5 minutes went by quickly. Here is the answer to your do now. Hector drew an area model below to represent a division problem. Which equation represents the model? What I did is I took the model and split one out so that you can see it a little bit better. But basically, that whole model was divided or had 10 equal parts. Okay, so it's actually 10 over 10. If I take one out, it's 1 over 10. That's the first part of your equation. It also said that it had a divided line going all the way across the middle here. So that was letting us know that you were going to divide it by 2. So if you put the answer 1/10 divided by 2 equals question mark, you were correct. But since we're having a quiz later on, I want to show you what the answers to that question mark is because it'll give you a little practice in remembering how to do this. So we're going to take this problem. And if you remember, both Ms. Newgard and I showed you a new way to find the answer on a division problem containing unit fractions. Remember, a unit fraction is a unit with the numerator of 1 and the denominator of any number. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to a gajillion. Okay? As long as there's 1 in the numerator, it is a unit fraction. So let's find the answer to this one. What we're going to have to do is take 1/10 and yes, I'm waiting for the answer. Yes, excellent. Yep. You take 1/10 and you multiply it by 1/2, the reciprocal of 2, to get 1/20. So the answer to that question mark would have been 1/20. Great job, guys. Let's keep going. Make sure you know your vocabulary. Your vocabulary is going to be very important because it's going to ask you questions with the word divide, numerator, denominator. You're going to have to know what a tape diagram is and also know what a quotient is. You can see those right there. A quotient, as a reminder, is the answer. What is the answer? Look for the answer. Look for the quotient. What is the quotient? That is letting you know you want to know what the answer is. Remember that the last 3 days, Ms. Newgard and I have taught you a different way of finding the answer to a division problem, and that is by multiplying. This only works with unit fractions. That's what we've been working with. Make sure that a unit fraction has a number 1 in the numerator, and then it can have any number on the bottom of the denominator except for 0. So what is that alternative rule? For me, I have it as when dividing a number by a fraction, multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction. To get the reciprocal, just flip the fraction. For example, in this problem, we have 2 divided by 1/3. That's the original equation. What I want to do is find the reciprocal of 3, then I can multiply 2 times 3 equals 6. But what if I have a fraction as the first number? It'll still work. In this particular one, the original equation is 1/3 divided by 6. I went ahead and put the fractional in there so it can make it easy for you to see what the reciprocal is. We take 1/3 times 1/6 divided or equals 1/18. Once again, 1/3 times 1/6 equals 1/18. Try to remember all those. You will be using all those little hints in the quiz you're taking. First of all, I want to go ahead and pause the video and have a brave scholar read the objective. Excellent. Yes. Great. Scholars will be able to use their knowledge and skills learned while working on division word problems to take a quiz. Doing fantastic. Let's continue. Oh, it's time for the quiz. We want to give you as much time as possible So for the rest of the period, you will be taking the quiz. If you finish early, go to Imagine Math. I know that I have a challenge out to my class so that hopefully they can win a pizza party. Yep, a pizza party if they do so many lessons in Imagine Math. Good luck. Happy Easter. I'll see you. Let's see, Miss Newgard's going to do lessons on Monday and Tuesday when we get back. So I'll see you on Wednesday and Thursday. Have a great one. See ya.